Project integration management is an essential aspect of project management that involves coordinating all the elements of a project to ensure that it is completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of the stakeholders. It is one of the first knowledge areas of PMBOK, and it is critical to the success of a project. The primary goal of a project integration management is to ensure that all elements of the project are integrated and aligned in a cohesive manner. This includes activities such as developing the project charter, creating the project management plan, and managing the project scope, schedule, budget, and quality. The project charter is a document that formally authorizes the project and provides a high-level view of the project's objectives, stakeholders, and deliverables. The project management plan, on the other hand, is a detailed plan that outlines how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled, and finally, it will move towards closure. Project integration management also involves leading and coordinating the project team to execute the project plan and complete the project deliverables. This process, called direct and manage project work, requires the effective communication and coordination with stakeholders, including team members, sponsors, and other stakeholders, to ensure that everyone is aware of the project's goals and objectives and that everyone is working towards the same end. Project integration management also includes the process of monitoring and controlling project's progress, managing any issues or risks that arise, and making any necessary adjustments to the project plan. This process is called monitor and control project work. Additionally, it involves managing changes to the project plan, ensuring that they are made in a controlled and consistent manner, and it's called performed integrated change control. Another key aspect of project integration management is the use of project management software and tools to support the various processes. Project management software can be used to create and manage the project schedule, track progress and performance, manage project documents and communication, and manage risks and issues. It helps project managers to have a clear overview of the project status and make better decisions. Project integration management also includes the finalization of all project activities, the closure of project or phase, and the transition to the next phase if applicable. This includes the completion of all project deliverables, closing contracts, and releasing resources. The final product, service, or result of the project is handed over to the stakeholders. In summary, project integration management is an essential aspect of project management that involves coordinating all the elements of a project to ensure that it is completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of the stakeholders. It includes several key processes such as developing the project charter, creating the project management plan, and managing the project scope, schedule, budget, and quality. It also involves effective communication and coordination with stakeholders and use of project management software and tools. Effective project integration management is critical for the success of a project as it minimizes the risk of delays, budget overruns, and other issues that can negatively impact the project. See you in the next lecture.